भाजपा सरकाराक लागून गोंयची एकचाराची संस्कृताय धोक्यात येयल्या. धर्मकोल्ली शक्तींक ओतो येयला. खंयचो धर्म पाळप, कोणा वांगडा लग्न जावप, कितें खावप, कितें न्हेसप हें सांगपी भाजपा कोण? आदलो अर्थमंत्री पी चिदंबरम विचारता. राज्यघटनेन लोकांक दिल्ले हक्क सरकाराक कोचून घेवपाक दिवचे नात. निर्णय आनी अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्य राखून दवरपाक काँग्रेस गोंयांत कटिबद्ध आसा, पी चिदंबरमान सांगलें.
काँग्रेसीची 6 दिवचले जाहीर सभा जाली. सभेक भारताचो आदलो अर्थमंत्री पी चिदंबरम, पक्षाचो गोवा प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडूराव, प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार, थळावो फुडारी मेघश्याम रावत आनी हेर फुडारी हजर आसले. सेगीत लोकांक फटीची आश्वासनां दिवन झुलत दवरपी आनी लोकां मदीं फूट घालपी भाजपा सरकाराक घरा बसोवचे असो उलोय ताणें मारलो.
That unique culture is under threat from BJP's misguided notion of one nation, one religion, one language, one food habit, one dress habit. Who is the government to say what I shall eat, what I shall wear? Who is the government to say who I shall love and who I shall marry? Who is the government to say what religion I will follow? These are our freedoms. These are freedoms that we won. These are our freedoms. Nobody can take it away. And under the deadening homogeneity which is practiced by BJP, Goa's culture will be swamped. We promise to preserve Goa's unique culture. Not only Goa's political identity, but we will preserve your unique culture, the composite culture which has made you an independent, vibrant state. Even when you were under Portuguese rule, you maintained your identity. Under Congress's government, you maintained your identity. We will not allow that identity to be wiped out by the BJP. We will ensure that your identity, your unique culture is fully protected, ever. Merely to contest an election. We are not here merely to get 8,000 votes. We are here to win the election, and we are determined to win the election in Bicholim and in Goa. I hope all of you will use your entire strength and time and energy and devotion and intelligence and ingenuity to make sure that the candidate from Bicholim constituency wins the election. Goa has many problems. The number one problem is jobs.
गोवा 365 खातीर दिवचलच्यान महेश गोवेकार.